we're gonna do kind of a different recipe today. We have a Ninja Creami, of which we haven't used in a while, but we saw the other night, I don't remember what it was, but it was something that reminded us of Dole Whip from Disney World or Disneyland, if you have been there. And if you've had Dole Whip, you know, it's really, really, really good. And I says to Jonathan, we have a Ninja Creami, we should try to make Dole Whip. And I found a recipe. I actually found 2 recipes, which I might make both in this video, depending on if I have everything. One of them had coconut milk, the other did not. The one we're doing right now does not have coconut milk because Jonathan doesn't really like it, but I kind of want to try one with coconut milk to see which one's better. But anyway, we're done yapping. So you need your Ninja Creami container. You need 1.5 cups of pineapple juice. So let me get this open. So that is 1.5 cups of pineapple juice. Now we need 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks. This seems like it's gonna be overfilled, but whatever. Following the recipe here. I'm just gonna, I don't really want to dump it. Seems like, wait. Oh wait, I think we're only gonna make one. I don't think I have enough pineapple to make another one, so, all right. This is definitely like overfilled, but like I said, I'm just gonna follow the recipe. It definitely has like a max line on it. I don't know if y'all can see the max line, but it exceeds the max line. You know, 1.5 cups pineapple juice, 2 cups pineapple chunks, frozen, 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk. It has really, really nice reviews, so, you know, we're gonna just go with adding 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk to this, maybe. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me go open this. So after I add this, I'm gonna mix it together and then put the lid on it, put it in the freezer for 24 hours, and then tomorrow, I think it said, don't quote me on this until I actually read it, we're gonna put it on the sorbet function, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of milk to it. All right, my goodness, she is full up. But they'll say to mix it together gently, so this is what we're doing here. I think that's tomorrow me's problem, is dealing with how full this is. All right, let me put a lid on it. All right, I'm gonna go put this in the freezer, and we'll be back tomorrow to see how this turns out. All right, so Jonathan has informed me that he wants me to do the Dole Whip also with coconut. So that's what we're doing right now. Calls for 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup, it says coconut cream, I'm gonna use coconut milk because that is all I have, 1.5 cups of frozen pineapple, and 1/2 cup of maple syrup. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna add all of it to this and freeze it just like we froze the other one, and we'll have Jonathan taste test both of them tomorrow, maybe blindly, and we'll see which one he likes better. I have a suspicion he's not gonna like this one because he doesn't like coconut milk, but who knows? But anyway, we're just gonna add all the stuff to the Creami container and freeze it. All right, we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. That might be a little more than a 1/2 cup, but 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. A cup of this coconut milk. I'm gonna stir it up because there's a lot of stuff on the top. All right, I did go ahead and mix this up, so this is gonna be a mess. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna mix that up, and then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Seems weird, but we're gonna go with it. All right, well, about all I have is about a 1/4 cup, so. All right, and then we're gonna do a 1.5 cups. Is it a 1.5 cups? Hold the phone. 1.5 cups of finely chopped pineapple. All right, here is 1 cup. It's gonna splash. All right, that was 1 cup. All right, here's the other 1/2 cup. Seems like a lot. We're gonna smash that in like this. I'm gonna mix it up. I feel like I'm making a mess, but I don't really care at this point. All right, I'm gonna put the lid on. I will say, those taste good. All right, I'm gonna freeze this overnight and we'll be back tomorrow. All right, so these have both been frozen for about 24 hours. Jonathan has seen them and he can guess which one is which. This one is the one with coconut milk. This one is the one with sweetened condensed milk. Usually Jonathan is the one that runs the machine, but he's in the bathroom, so I'm gonna run the machine and we're gonna see how it works. Also, obviously, these are both above the max fill line. We're just gonna go with it. That's the plan. So we're gonna move over. We're gonna go with it. All right, we're gonna remove the lid. I also have a cold right now, so I cannot really taste much. I have put it in the little thingy here. Again, I don't know how this thing works. Jonathan does it usually. And I'm really not gonna read the directions. Okay, I got the lid on here. And let's see here. I guess like that. Okay. And let me move this up. Turn it on. And we're gonna hit sorbet. After no patience from Jonathan, I finally got the lid on this one. Just so everyone knows, I'm gonna disclose this right now, the recipes. Make them and then empty them down to the max fill line right here. Don't do what I did. Don't do what I did. All right, sorbet. Okay. This one says, sorry, that is what it looks like before you add milk to it. I'm gonna scoop some off and get rid of it, and then add about a 1/4 cup of milk to this, and then hit respin. This is the one with the sweetened condensed milk. The other one is good. Like, you don't have to add anything to it, but the sweetened condensed milk one is just to add milk. So, I'm going to scoop some off till it hits that fill line right there, and then we'll hit respin. Hold on. Okay. Maybe. Okay, and then we're gonna hit. Yay. Turn that off. Undo that. You know, I'm just gonna. That's pretty good. Jonathan, in fact, ooh, this one might be better. Jonathan tried the other one with the coconut milk. He liked it. But we are still going to blind taste test him. He is off at the store right now because he got angry. Not angry, but that I overfilled this. He had no patience for it, so I told him to go to the store. He's at the store. And look who figured it out. Me. Anyway. I'm gonna make sure this stays chilled until he gets back, and then we will blind taste him. Blind taste test him? Whatever. Okay, so it is true blind. Jonathan just got home from the store. I told them about your mini crisis trying to get the fill line. I told him to go to the store. Okay, so he does not know which one is which. I know which one is which.
I think this one's the real one, and this one's the, what is it? The coconut stuff.
Well, but just taste.
That's definitely the coconut one. This is definitely the real one. They actually taste very similar.
Which one do you like more? To me, first of all.
Right.
Okay. Are you even sure you're right?
Mm-hmm.
You're 100% sure that you're correct?
Unless there's some other kind of, like, oil stuff. This one has more of a, like, coconut flavor, like, kind of sunscreen flavor. But this tastes more, what is it called? Pineapple-y.
Okay.
There's also, this texture is more like icy, and like more...
This one?
No, this one.
This one is icy?
I think this one's probably not the one with coconut, and this is the one with coconut stuff in it, because A, there's been a couple pieces in A, it tastes more like that, and the texture is a bit different.
Yeah, I don't think it blended the pineapple as well in this one, even though I chunked it up. This one I did not chunk it up. This one said to chunk it up. I honestly think not chunking it up blends better somehow. I don't know.
They're both really good. Like, I would eat both.
Okay.
I don't know what one to pair. They're both...
First of all...
They're both equally, like, different enough to have both.
You are correct in your assessment of which is which. I like this one more, actually. I surprised myself. I thought for sure I'd like the coconut one more. But also I have a cold. I have let the camera know. I have a cold, so I can't taste as well. But, personally, I like this one more. It's, kind of more creamy.
It's definitely more
a little
creamy.
more sweet.
Oh, 10 times
Which
sweeter.
is surprising because I think it actually has less pineapple juice in it. And this one has more pineapple juice and more like sweet. This has more sweet in it to me than this one, but I like this one more.
I think it's just because the texture is different. I think the pineapple milk does, like that fat does something different.
The pineapple milk?
Pineapple oil?
Juice?
No,
Coconut milk?
milk.
Oh, yeah.
Like coconut milk. I'm very tired.
He is really tired.
But no, like.
But I can tell you all right now, he likes both based on how he is continuing to eat both. He does like both.
For me, it went out just a little bit, but I do like the difference. Like
This one, honestly, to me is more sorbet-ish.
Yep.
Like, if you want something that's like a sorbet, go with the one with the coconut. This one, to me, has more actual, like, a Dole Whip consistency.
And this one has a coconut flavor to it. So if you don't like coconut...
I can't really taste it right now.
Definitely,
I can't because I have a cold.
If you don't like coconut, do not make that.
Yeah.
Because,
just trust him, I guess, because I can't taste it.
has a coconut flavor to it.
I can't remember if regular Dole Whip at Disney kind of has a coconut flavor.
It's this. It's definitely closer to this.
All right, well, we got to wrap it up or this video is going to be really long.
Oh, they're both really good. This one I feel like would give me more heartburn, and this one wouldn't. Because that one, it was a lot more acidic. I feel like the coconut milk
kind of mellows it out. Yeah, because this one is like purely like juice, like coconut juice.
Pineapple juice.
Yeah, pineapple juice. And I guess it has a little sweetened condensed milk, but not like a ton. Anyway.
Both really good.
Yeah.
I mean, if you have the machine and you can do this.
Yeah. Like we said, well, I don't think, we said it to each other. I didn't say it on the camera. The only crappy thing about having the the Ninja Creami is you'll put this stuff in the freezer and then you have to get your machine back out and respin every time you want it. But anyway, that's that. Jonathan approves, I can tell you that. Alright, well, he'll probably see you in the next video. We're probably doing those school lunch pizzas, so can't wait. Jonathan hated school lunch pizza, so really can't wait for that. Alright, bye.